This year is quickly coming to an end. Are you prepared to finish out the year in your Sage software and begin a new year? The transition from one year to the next is often a challenge. There are things that you probably do just once a year and it's easy to forget how. Or perhaps you're new to the company and don't know how. There is one place that you can go that has all the information that you'll need to get through this hectic time. The Sage Year-End Center. All your resources are here in this one place. Procedures for end-of-year processing, knowledge base articles on how-tos, the latest software and tax downloads, even complimentary training videos. To get to the Sage Year-End Center, type www.sagecity.com/yearend in the address bar of your web browser. Almost every Sage solution has its own Year-End Center that you can get from this homepage. Let's take a look at one product's Year-End Center. Your product centers may be slightly different, but all year-end centers cover essentially the same content. Scroll to find your Sage solution, or click your country to go to that section to find it. This takes you to the Year-End Center homepage for this Sage product. The most important things are knowing what needs to get done and what software and tax updates you need to install, right? They're all right here. The information is organized in 4 categories: FAQs, checklists, updates, and training. The links under each category take you to the other pages for additional information. For example, under FAQs, each link takes you to a page with a list of commonly searched knowledge base articles on year-end procedures and concerns. Use the links under checklists to find out what critical tasks need to be completed for year-end. Choose a checklist. Let's use the one for U.S. payroll. These are the tasks to complete for payroll. Some items even have a link to a knowledge base article for step-by-step instructions. If you want to print this list out for reference, click the Printable Checklist button. To jump to another area of the Year-End Center for this Sage product, use the Table of Contents. To return to this product's Year-End Center homepage, click Year-End Center. The links under Updates take you to several useful locations. Follow the latest news and announcements on the Sage City forums. Search for articles or download the latest software update or tax update in the Sage knowledge base, or access year-end guides, system requirements, and more from the product documents. Under Training, you can use the links to access a complete library of complimentary instructional videos, or go to Sage University to find a class you want to take. Access to other useful resources and links are at your fingertips. Remember to bookmark this page so you can easily find it the next time you're back on Sage City. The Sage Year-End Center is your go-to place for updates, documents, and guidance for the busiest time of year.